What if I told you the machines we created could someday outthink us, outwork us, and maybe outsmart us? Welcome to the mind blowing world of artificial intelligence. Let's rewind to where it all began. Imagine it's 1950. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, asked a bold question: can machines think? This led to the famous Turing test. Think of it like a game where a machine tries to convince a human that it's human too. Cool, right? Fast forward to the 1950s and 60s, scientists dreamed very big. Computers could play games like chess, solve math problems, and even mimic decision making. They called this new field as artificial intelligence. But there was one problem: computers were very slow and dumb by today's standards. AI progress was slow for decades. It's like trying to teach a snail how to race. It takes a long time. Today, AI isn't just solving equations, it's solving real world problems. In part 2, we will dive into how it's shaping our present and touching lives in ways we never imagined. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for this fascinating journey.